So I ordered this pair of shoes from Giovanco and I'm going to unbox it right now. Let's see what we have got here. Okay, so this is the shoe one. Then we have a shoe shiner. And then we have the shoes. Let's see how they look. Okay, so there's a shoe tag that they have provided us with. Oh, nice. Then we have paper stuffing. Then we also have a Giovanco logo in it. The footbed is cushion. It has cushion and it has a rubber sole. Okay, great. It looks really good. Gives you a really classy feel, and if you wear it with a formal trouser, probably of brown color or dark brown color, even black would look great. You'll get that elegant look. So this particular shoe is called block shoes because of the pattern that we have here, and in general we call these shoes Oxford because of this particular shape. Yeah, so if you ask for my recommendation, I would say yeah, you can go for these shoes definitely. They are really good looking.